Have you ever bought a faucet that looked amazing online, only to discover a few months later that it leaked, rusted, or felt loose? You're definitely not alone. A bathroom faucet is one of those products you use every single day, so choosing the wrong one can quickly become an expensive mistake. That's why I compared some of the highest-rated bathroom faucets available today, looking at build quality, installation, water flow, durability, and overall value. In today's countdown, we'll cover 7 excellent options for every budget. Stay until the end because my number 1 pick delivers premium features that most bathroom faucets simply can't match. Number 7. Ryvencoo Waterfall Bathroom Faucet. If you're searching for an affordable way to give your bathroom a modern makeover, the Ryvencoo deserves a look. Its waterfall outlet creates an elegant stream that instantly gives your sink a luxury appearance. Installation is simple, and everything needed for a standard setup is included in the box. However, the waterfall design comes with compromises. The open spout tends to splash more than traditional faucets, especially if your sink isn't very deep. It also requires frequent cleaning because mineral deposits become visible much faster. The exterior looks attractive, but some internal components use plastic rather than brass, making it better suited for light daily use instead of long-term heavy-duty performance. Number 6. Horan 2-Handle Faucet. Next up is the Horan, a faucet designed for homeowners who prefer separate hot and cold handles. The brushed finish looks clean and timeless, while the stainless steel body feels solid right out of the package. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included Quick Connect system. During testing, the faucet produced a smooth stream with very little splashback. Unfortunately, the included drain assembly wasn't nearly as impressive as the faucet itself. The plastic construction felt inexpensive, and replacing it with a metal drain would provide greater long-term reliability. Overall, it's a dependable option, although there are stronger competitors higher on this list. Number 5. Cassavilla Brass Bathroom Faucet. The Cassavilla immediately stands out because of its solid brass construction. Unlike many budget faucets, this one feels heavy, durable, and professionally built. Every component fits together precisely, making installation surprisingly quick. Performance is where it really shines. The ceramic cartridges operate smoothly, temperature control feels precise, and the aerated stream delivers excellent pressure without creating unnecessary splashing. Its protective finish also resists fingerprints and water spots, helping the faucet stay cleaner between wipe-downs. If durability is your priority, this model offers outstanding value. Number 4. Forious Matte Black Faucet. Matte black finishes continue to grow in popularity, but not every manufacturer gets them right. Fortunately, Forious does. Even after weeks of daily use, soap residue, toothpaste, and hard water were easy to remove without damaging the finish. The package also includes an all-metal drain with a removable basket that helps catch hair before it enters your plumbing. Water pressure remains strong, the handles feel smooth, and the entire faucet stays firmly mounted without developing any wobble. For anyone building a modern bathroom, this is one of the best values available. Number 3. Delta Arvo. Delta has earned its reputation by producing reliable plumbing fixtures, and the Arvo continues that tradition. The brushed gold finish looks elegant without appearing overly flashy, making it suitable for both modern and classic bathrooms. Delta's diamond seal technology is one of its biggest advantages, helping reduce leaks while significantly extending the life of the faucet. Installation is simplified, with integrated supply lines, reducing potential leak points. Everyday performance is excellent. The water stream feels powerful. Despite using less water, the handles operate smoothly, and maintenance is almost effortless. This is a faucet designed to perform reliably for years. Number 2. Moen CIA Touchless Faucet. Touchless technology isn't just convenient, it also helps keep your bathroom cleaner. The Moen CIA uses a highly responsive motion sensor that activates water almost instantly, while avoiding accidental triggers. Although installation involves an electronic control box, the process is well organized and beginner-friendly. A manual side handle is still included, allowing you to control water normally whenever you choose. The elegant design, dependable electronics, and premium construction make this one of the smartest upgrades for any modern bathroom. Number 1. Delta Trinsic Touch Faucet. Taking the top spot is the Delta Trinsic. While it's officially designed as a kitchen faucet, it performs incredibly well in larger bathrooms, where extra reach and flexibility are valuable. The tall curved spout provides outstanding clearance for everyday tasks, while Delta's Touch 2.0 technology lets you start or stop water with a simple tap anywhere on the faucet. One of my favorite features is the LED temperature indicator, which changes color to show water temperature before you even place your hands underneath. The pull-down spray head adds another level of versatility, making it easy to rinse the sink, wash larger items, or clean every corner of the basin. Combined with Delta's premium build quality and dependable performance, the Trinsic offers the most complete package in this comparison. If your budget allows it, this is the faucet I'd confidently recommend over every other model on today's list. That's my countdown of the 7 best bathroom faucets available right now. If you've used any of these models, let everyone know your experience in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product comparisons and DIY home improvement content.